I've just discovered an AI agent tool that can generate a full-length animated video up to 5 minutes using just a single prompt. No editing skills needed. This AI agent handles the entire production from start to finish. If you're still stuck creating random 5-second clips and struggling with character consistency, those days are over. This is Topview Agent V2, powered by Seedance 2.0. Built specifically for long-form AI videos. Multiple scenes, one seamless workflow. It doesn't just generate clips, it actually storyboards using GPT Image 2 and automatically sequences true long-form AI videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything. What it does, how the multi-scene generation works, the video extension features, and what the final output really looks like. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. So this is the Topview AI simple and easy to use interface. To get started, click the link in my description. Topview has a whole range of content categories, from social content and ad videos to e-commerce and so many more. But for today, we're using the V2 agent tool, which is specifically made for long-form content. Here is where you can type or paste your simple story idea, and the AI agent creates the magic. For this video story creation, I'll be using a new feature called Storyboard, which leverages GPT Image 2 to generate a visual storyboard first. This is a cost-saving workflow that helps you avoid wasting tokens on Seedance 2.0 because you can fully visualize your story before it even renders. Pretty cool. Here in the storyboard, you can also use a reference image, but I'll paste my prompt into this text box. This is the text I used. Don't worry, keep watching because I'll also show you a secret website I use to craft prompts easily. So when I scroll down here, you have the option to select the aspect ratio. I'll leave it at 16:9. Okay, scrolling down, you can see it's generating our visuals using GPT Image 2. You can also click the drop-down icon to see other options like Nano Banana, but I'll leave it on GPT Image 2. Here, you can select video resolution up to 4K. You also have the option to choose the number of images you want for your video creation. We have options for 4, 9, 25, or even a custom setting. I'll leave it at 9, which is the default, and then click Generate Storyboard. It starts generating, and boom! Our storyboard is ready. Let's preview it. You can see it's already giving us a glimpse of how our video will look. So cool. Creating this storyboard first gives you far more control before rendering, helping you avoid failed generations and also reduce wasted tokens. You can click here to re-edit, upscale, adjust angles, remix, or even create the video automatically. But we won't be creating the video automatically here because I want to show you how to extend your videos up to 5 minutes using the V2 agent. So I'll just click here to download our storyboard images and head back to our agent dashboard. Back on our agent dashboard, still on Video Agent 2, I'll click the reference image icon and upload the storyboard image we just generated. Then I'll paste the same prompt I used to create the storyboard. Below the prompt, we've got 2 video generation modes, Seedance 2.0 and Fast. I'll stick with Seedance 2.0. For the aspect ratio, I'll choose 16:9, set the resolution to 720p, and for the video length, you can go up to 300 seconds, which is about 5 minutes. Pretty cool. But for this project, I'll keep it at 45 seconds, so the video stays concise and engaging. With all our settings locked in, I'll hit enter. And before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. At this point, the AI starts preparing, analyzing the request, and building out a scene structure. In just a moment, we're taken into the chat interface, where the agent carefully maps out the entire sequence based on our image and story. As you can see, it suggested 5 distinct segments, each with different durations, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on. However, I realize I missed a few important details, so I'll add some specific instructions here. For example, Can you include character dialogue within each scene and make sure every scene transitions smoothly into the next for a seamless flow? Feel free to add any creative elements you think would enhance the video. The style is set to auto, so I'll leave it as it is and click the send arrow. Now the agent reanalyzes our updated instructions and provides a revised strategy. Here's our optimized plan. It's now broken into 5 clear scenes, complete with dialogue, and everything aligns much better with the vision. Next, I'll click Insert Only, which brings us to a detailed breakdown of all 5 scenes for our multi-scene story. Very cool. If you look closely, you'll notice an Enhance option next to each prompt. This lets you automatically refine individual prompts. You can also customize the duration of each clip using the drop-down menu. And if you want to expand your story, here at the bottom, you can add more scenes. There's even an Enhance All option to refine everything at once. So everything here is fully flexible. We'll be generating with Seedance 2.0. Once everything looks good, I'll click Start Generation. Now our multi-scene story begins generating. You can see the first clip is already in progress. The AI processes each scene sequentially, building the story step by step. And now all 5 clips are done generating. After reviewing them to make sure everything looks right, I'll click Finish. This automatically imports all the clips into the Topview AI built-in timeline, where they're perfectly arranged. Let me play the opening segment so you can see how smooth the transitions are.
They're sounding sad today. They say a storm is coming that won't stop. Look! The light is fading! If it goes out, the village is lost!
Notice how naturally one scene flows into the next. It feels like a single cohesive film, rather than separate generated clips. Next, I want to extend the video. I'll click the Extend icon, select Extend Clip 4, and type Include a cleaner additional scene. By default, the new extended scene is set to 5 seconds, but you can adjust it as needed. Then I'll hit Send. You can see the new clip generating. And just like that, it's done. Notice how seamlessly the original clip transitions into the new one? Really impressive. If needed, you can also click under any clip to fix errors. Once everything looks perfect, I'll click Export Full Video, then Final Start Export. And here is our final video.
The waves, they're sounding sad today. They say a storm is coming that won't stop. Look! The light is fading! If it goes out, the village is lost! We can't do this alone, Theo. We need to work together. Ah! Don't look down! Keep moving! I'm coming! I won't let the fear stop me! Listen to us! Shine bright! We did it! Together! It wasn't just the shell, Theo. It was us.
Finally, one of the biggest advantages right now is the pricing, especially with the new Ultra plan, which is the most cost-efficient way to use Seedance 2.0. With the Business Annual plan, you get 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 usage, plus unlimited GPT Image 2 generation for an entire year. That makes it an incredibly powerful option if you're creating content on a regular basis or at scale. If you want to try it out for yourself, check the link in the description. Also, this is the website that helps me create prompts easily, feeddough.com. You simply paste in your idea, and the AI turns it into a detailed, well-structured prompt. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.